Okay, next lesson from standard 8 is factorization. This is the 13th lesson, that is factorization. That is, what is factors? First of all, what are factors? And that is, if it is 5x, 5x is if 5x is an expression, and the factors of 5x are 5 and x. The factors of 5x are 5 and x. And what is factorization? That is factorizing 5x. While factorizing 5x, we get the factors 5 and x. We get the factors 5 and x. While factorizing 5x, we get 5 and x. And what is factorization? Factorization means to find factorization means to find two or more expressions, to find two or more expressions whose product is equal to the given expression, Okay, this is the factorization. Factorization means to find two or more expression whose, that is, the product of this two is equal to 5 into x is equal to 5x. That is the given expression. That is called the factorization. How that is next? How can we find factors from a given expression? Okay, first method is factorization by taking out common factors. How can we factorize? By using the taking out common factors. And first question is 5x square minus 10x. 5x square minus 10x. That is here. First of all, take the common factor outside. That is, here it is from 5 and 10. From the integers, that is equal to 5 and 10. And what is the common factor for 5 and 10? 5 is the common factor. Okay, 5 is the common factor. And from this x square and x, and the common factor is, here it is x is the common factor. From here it is, there are 2x, and here it is only 1x. So taken out 1x. And after that, dividing, that is this, what is the balance? That is, after taking the common factor outside, what is the balance? That is 5x square by 5x minus 10x by 5x. Okay, dividing this, we get 5x into, that is, here it is cancelling this 1x and 5, that is x minus, and here it is taking this 2, okay, and x minus 2. That is, this is the common factor of this 5x square minus 10x. While multiplying this inside to this, 5x into x is equal to 5x square minus 5x into 2 is equal to 10x. These are the factors of 5x square minus 10x. And the second question is a cube b minus a square b square minus b cube. Okay, and what are the common factors here? Here a is here also a, but here the third fact that this, here it is no a is there. So b is the common factor. B is the common factor. There, here it is only 1b, and here it is 2b and 3b. B3. Okay, and that is, what is the common factor here? B is the common. That is b, only b is here. So taken b outside, and after that it is a cube minus, and there is only one b left, and a square b, and last one here it is minus 1, that is equal to b square. These are the factors of a cube b minus a square b square minus b raised to 3. Okay, and then third question, that is 2b into 2a plus b minus 3c into 2a plus b. 2b into 2a plus b minus 3c into 2a plus b. Look at that here. That is 2a plus b is common. 2a plus b is common. So take it outside. 2a plus b. Okay, and what is else here? That is 2b minus 3. These are the factors of this, that is 2a plus b is the common factor, so take it outside, and the else is 2b minus 3. Okay, and after that the last question is 2x cube b square minus 4x raised to 5 b raised to 4, and here it is 2, and for this 2 and 4, 2 is the common, so take it 2 outside, and for x and x raised to 5, and here it is x raised to 5 is there, here is only x cube. So x cube is smallest, that is taken x cube outside, and then b square and b raised to 4. So b raised to 2 is smallest, and then take it outside, that is 2x cube. B square is taken outside from here. So here it is, and the whole members and the whole expression is taken outside. So there is 1 is left there. Okay, 1 into 2x cube plus b square is equal to 2x cube b square, and then here it is only 2 is left, and then x raised to 5, that is 3 going outside, the else is 2. Okay, and then b raised to 4, and 2 is going outside, and else is b raised to 2. Okay, this is the factors of 2x cube b square minus 4x raised to 5 b raised to 4. Okay, next method is factorization by groups. Okay, that is, what is factorization by groups? That is, here it is 4 that is expressions are here, that is a square plus ax plus ab plus bx. 4 terms are here, that is a square plus ax plus ab plus bx. Okay, and from here, that is grouping, group by groups, factorization by groups. So first of all, we take this into 2's. Okay, in grouping, while grouping, we take this, that is first 2 terms in one, and second last 2 terms in one group. Okay, and then from first group, what is the common outside, that is equal to, first of all we can write it as a square plus ax plus ab plus bx. Okay, ab plus bx. Okay, and then from first group, what is common here, that is a is common here, so take a outside, and then a plus x. Okay, a plus a into, the balance is from here, it is 1 a outside, so take it, that is 1 is rest, that is a plus ax. From ax it is taking a outside, and ax is, yes, and then from here, that is, what is it, b is common, and then again from take it b here, that is a plus x. Okay, and then what is common, again what is common here, that is a plus x is common, and then rest is a plus b. Okay, this is the answer for, that is, these are the factors of a square plus ax plus ab plus b. While multiplying these two factors, we get the question. Okay, you can check yourself, that is, and then 6a square minus 3ab a square b minus bc square plus 2c square, and first of all take it as groups, that is equal to 6a square minus 3a square b minus bc square plus 2c square. Okay, bc square plus 2c square, and then what is it, that is equal to, here it is 3, that is 6a square and 3a square, that is 3a square is common. Okay, from here it is, we get 3, and that is 3. Okay, and then a square, here is a square and a square, 3a square, and after that it is, what is it, 2 minus b. Okay, the rest is 2 minus 3a square is taking outside, and that is it. And then next is just c square. See, here it is c square is common, and we get, that is and we multiply, while this is a minus here, so that we get b minus, that is here it is, that is from here it is minus, while bracketing we get, here it is minus, and so that we get b minus 2. Okay, b minus 2. So look at here, there is no common factors is here, no common factors. So we should change into common factor, and that is, what is it, 3a square into 2 minus b. That is then taking, that is to the minus 2 to the left side and b to the right side. So multiplying with the minus, that is plus c into 2 minus b plus c into 2 minus b, that is 3a square, from here we can say that, what is it, what is the common factors here, common factor is equal to 2 minus b. Okay, 2 minus b is the common factor, and then what is it, and after that it is 3a square plus c. Okay, 3a square plus c. These are the factors of the 6a square minus 3a square b minus bc square plus 2c square. Next question is ax plus 2bx plus 3cx minus 3a minus 6b minus 9c. There are 6 terms in this question. So how can we group this? That is, we can group in 2's. How can we group this? That is equal to, here it is a is here, and here it is 3a is here. So take ax minus 3. Okay, and then after that it is 2bx minus 6b And then last term is 3cx, and there is a c here, that is minus 9c. Okay, minus 9c. That is how we said. That is by grouping, that is ax, and here a is here. Its common factor is a here, so take the 3a. Okay, and then here it is 2b, and common factor is b here, that is minus 6, 2bx minus 6b, and last is 3cx, and c is common here, so 3cx minus 9c. And after that, while grouping, after this grouping, so take the common factor outside, and first of all from ax minus 3, that is taking a outside, a is common here, so x minus 3. Okay, a into x minus 3, and here it is 2b, taken 2b outside, that is x is here, and then from by 2 it is 3, that is b is taking outside, that is x minus 3. And the last one, it is, what is it, 3c, that is x minus, and from here 3c, the divided by 3, that is equal to x minus 3. 3 is taken outside, x minus 3. So x minus 3 is the common factor here, excuse me, x minus 3 is the common factor here. And after that, what is it, a plus 2b plus 3c. These are the factors of this question. Ax plus 2bx plus 3cx minus 3a minus 6b minus 9c. Okay, next is factorization of difference of the square. Next type of factorization is factorization of difference of the squares. That is, what is it, there is a formula there, that is x square minus y. The square of that is the difference of two squares is equal to, we can write it as x plus y into x minus y, x plus y into x minus y, or a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b, a plus b into a minus b. This is the formula for, that is, difference of two squares. And then here it is the first question, 16 minus 9x square. What is 16 minus 9x square? We can write it in the form of this square, a square minus b square. That is, how can we write this in the square form? That is equal to 6, that is 16 is equal to, we can write it as 4 square. 4 the whole square minus, and what is it? This is 3x the whole square. 3x the whole square, and the answer is, what is it? A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. 4 minus 3x, 4 minus 3, 4 plus 3x into 4 minus 3x. Okay, that is a plus b into a minus b. And then next question is 5a minus 2b the whole square minus 2a minus b the whole square. Here there is the whole, this is the term, that is 5a minus 2b the whole square. This is a square, the whole total, the full term is a square, this is b square. Okay, a square into b square. That is, how can we write this? And this a plus b into a minus b. This is a plus b. 5a minus 2b plus 2a minus b. Okay, 2a minus b. This is an expression, so take inside the bracket. And then the second term is plus b, that is a plus b and a minus b. That is 5a minus 2b minus of 2a minus b. Okay, this is another expression, that is a plus b into a minus b, and then open the brackets, that is 5a minus 2b plus 2a minus b, and then here it is, we are opening, that is 2a minus 2b, and then multiplying this, while opening the bracket, multiplying with the minus, that is minus 2a, that is minus into minus plus b. Okay, and then calculating this, here it is 5a and 2a, that is equal to 7a, that is 7a and minus 2b and b, that is minus 3b. Okay, 7a minus 3b, and second term is 5a minus 2a is equal to 3a and minus 2b plus b is equal to minus b. Okay, these are the factors of this expression, that is equal to 7a minus 3b and 3a minus b. Okay, next is factorization of trinomial. Next method is factorization of trinomial, or otherwise it is known as splitting the middle term method. And then that is the product, that is, we know that the product of two binomials, the product of two binomials, we get, for example, that is these two are binomials, and when multiply this, we get the trinomial 6a square minus 7ab minus 5b square. What is a trinomial? Trinomial means with the three terms, and here it is two terms. That is multiplying these two binomials, we get a trinomial. And here is a question, that is x square plus 6x plus 8. And how can we, that is, in the previous cases there are two terms or four terms or six terms, that is even number of terms are here. Here it is a three term, here it is only three terms. That is, how can we split up this trinomial into factors, and first of all we have to convert this into four terms. How can we convert this? And then splitting, that means it is splitting the middle term, how can we split the middle term? That is, take two numbers, take two numbers, that is, the last number is 8 and this is middle number is 6. While multiplying we get x, and while adding, when two terms add we get 6, and when multiplying two terms we get 8. And select two numbers, that is, just select two numbers, that is, to multiply it is we get, that is 8, that is 4 and 2. 4 into 2 is equal to 8 and 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. These are the two numbers. That is, by selecting two numbers, that we when we get it multiplied, we get the last term, that is 8, and then adding the two terms, the selected terms, we should get 6, and then splitting it by x square plus, and split this in this form, that is 4x plus 2x. No change in the value, that is 4x plus 2x is 6, and we split this in the form 4x plus 2x, and last term is right in the same, and then if we get, here it is two terms. Okay, and then take this in groups, and then take the common factor outside. Here it is x is common, and then x plus 4 is inside. X is common. Here it is, I take x outside, and there is only one x left and 4 is left. And then here it is plus 2 is taking outside, and x plus 4 divided by 8 is equal to 4, x plus 4. And then what is it? X plus 4 is common again, and then x plus 2 is rest, that is x plus 2. That is, these are the factors of this x square plus 6x plus 8. That is splitting the middle term. And the second one, it is a square minus 5a plus 6. A square minus 5a plus 6. And then here also the method of splitting the middle term. And then what is it? What is we get is, while multiplying we get 6. We should get 6. And then while adding, we need minus 5. Okay, that is 5 minus is 4, 5. So that is minus 5. Multiplying we get 6, and then adding we get minus 5. So choose two numbers. What are the numbers? That is, if we multiply we get 6, and adding we get minus 5. That is equal to 3 minus 3 into minus 2. And minus 3 plus minus 2 is equal to 5. And minus 3 into minus 2 is equal to 6. So take it as a square minus 3a minus 2a plus 6. Okay, a square minus 3a minus 2a plus 6, and then is equal to, and here it is grouping in two terms, and then take a outside, that is common outside a, that is a minus 3. A into a minus 3, and then here it is minus 2 outside, and then while bracketing here we get a minus 3. And then what is it? Multiplying with minus 2, that is minus 2 into a is minus 2, and minus 2 into minus 3 is equal to plus 6. Okay, and then a minus 3 is common, take outside, and the rest is a minus 2. Okay, these are the factors of this a square minus 5a plus 6. Okay, next question, 2a square plus 7a plus 6. 2a square plus 7a plus 6. Okay, what is in the previous case? In the previous case, that is, what is the previous question? That is a square minus 5a plus 6. This is the previous question. And look at here, that is this a square. The first term has no, here it is a variable only. There is no coefficient for a square. So directly we that is split the middle term in 2, and here look at here, that is, there is a coefficient for a square, for the term a square. here there is a coefficient for the variable a square, and here there is a direct method for calculating the terms of factor, finding the factors of this by trinomial. And what it is first of all multiply the 6 into the term. That is, if there is a coefficient for the variable in the first term, multiply this coefficient to 6. That is equal to 2 into 6 is equal to 12. 2 into 6 is equal to 12, and the second term is equal to, and the next is equal to 7. And here it is, while adding we get, what is it, while multiplying, that is select the two terms, that is while multiplying we get 12, and while adding the two terms we get 7. That is, select two terms, try yourself, select two terms, and that is while multiplying the terms we get plus 12, and adding the two terms we get 7. Yes, that is 4 and 3. 4 and 3. What is it? 4 into 3 is equal to 12, and 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So 2a is writing it. So that is 2a square plus splitting the middle term, that is equal to 4a plus 3a plus, write the 6 itself. Okay, 6, and we get, and then what is it? 2, and here it is 2a is common. 2a is common, and just a is there. Okay, 2a square plus 4a. Okay, then after that it is 3 is common here, and then a plus 2, and a plus 2 is common. Take a plus 2 outside, and then 2a plus 3. Okay, these are the two factors of this expression. Okay, 2a square plus 7a plus 6. And if you can if you want to check, that is what if it is it right or wrong, that is, check yourself. You can multiply this factors, and we get the trinomial 2a square plus 7a plus 6. Hope you understood this video. See you in the next class. Thank you.